Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a DIY hair mask for my hair. You already know how my hair is. So I have some banana in here, and you know banana is good for the hair. It's also good for the skin. It make your hair shine. So I also have some aloe vera right in front of me here. I already cut up the aloe vera gel, and you can get this at your local food market. These are the aloe vera that I'm gonna use in the hair mask. So I'm putting it into this blender here. So this is the banana and the aloe vera gel. Also I put a little bit of honey in it also, and then I have some product here that already mixed up, and this is avocado fenugreek powder and also some rice mass. I'm going to also put some of this into the container here, and I am going to blend everything together. So this is what I'm going to blend together. So guys, after I blend the aloe vera leaves and the banana, this is what into the blender. So I already sieve out some, like strain out some of the product here, and this is how it look, you guys. It's a bit watery, but I can use this in my hair. So this is how it is, you guys. So I am going to wash my hair, and then after I finish wash my hair, I'm going to come back and re-put this into my hair. And if you have a leftover, you can just put it in the refrigerator so it doesn't spoil. You can keep it there at least for 2 weeks. So that's what I'm going to do. So yes guys, I finished wash my hair, and I'm going to put this hair mask treatment in your hair. It also helps your hair stop from break, and it make your hair much thicker. So you can put what you want to put in this mask. I also added a little bit of castor oil into the mask. So this is the mask here. Let's show you. This is it here. So I'm just gonna put it here in my hair. Then I will leave it here for 30 minutes. Some people do use egg in their hair. As for me, I don't like the sense of egg. So I try egg in my hair, and I never really like it. Like, you know, I can smell the egg. Although I put things into the egg to take away the scent. So I don't use egg in my hair. I mean, it's not everything people put in their hair, because we all do have different type of hair. So it's not everything people put in their hair you put in your hair also. Sometimes you have to do your own thing. So that's what I'm doing here. You can see I am putting the product, and whatsoever leave, I'm gonna store it in the fridge, so I can have it for the next time to use in my hair. But right now my hair feel really soft with this DIY hair mask that I'm putting in my hair. So guys, if you do like my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notification. Like when I upload, you can be notified. So this is how my hair look at this moment. I'm just gonna clean off my forehead, I am also gonna put a plastic cap over my head, and then I'm going to put also this one that I have. So I'm putting two plastic cap over my head right now, and then I'm gonna go under the dry. I'm gonna use the aloe vera skin, rub on my face, and leave it there to penetrate through my skin. And when you're using aloe vera, make sure you also clean the aloe vera. So I am going to come back after I finish and show you my hair. Okay guys, so you can see I finished wash my hair, finished treat my hair with my DNY natural hair product that I made from scratch. So now I am going to put some of this I put some of the castor oil into this small bottle here. I'm just gonna rub a little bit through my hair because I like this castor oil. It make my hair really thick. Even washing my hair feel really soft with this thing that I make and put in my hair, this deep conditioner mask. My hair feel really soft. I can't say for shine because my hair have color, so I cannot say that right now my hair is shine, but I know that my hair feels soft and it's also thick. So I am going to use this Text My Way Keep It Curl from Sheer Butter and Olive Oil Ultra Defining Curl Pudding into my hair. This is it, you guys. So I'm gonna use some of this in my hair. I have different type of hair product that I put in my hair. This is how it look in the bottle. It's a yellowish, thickish, consistent. So I'm gonna put some in my hair, and then after that I am going to put some oil to seal the product. I love to put a lot of product, you guys, in my hair. And this is thick, but not too thick. Like, I like to put a lot of product in my hair. Maybe I think I put too much sometimes, but that's how I feel. I like to put a lot of product in my hair. And then I am going to use some oil to seal the moisturizer, the leave-in. It's a pudding, curling pudding, and that's what it have. Shea butter and olive oil. And it said it also deep defining curl, which I don't know if my hair is curly. Yeah, I think I have some curl here. Not bad. But I do have some curl. So after that, I am just going to use some of this avocado oil in my hair to seal in the moisturizer. So this is it, you guys. I'm gonna put some of this in my hair to seal in whatever I'm doing here, so that my hair doesn't really get dried out. The reason why I put a lot of grease in my hair, because my hair easy to be dry, but if I keep putting oil in my hair, then you know, it keep my hair a bit moisturized, and you know, but you can see there is like some form of curl, in my hair. So let's wipe away this. And then I have this thing for edge control, and I think this thing is growing my edge, although I didn't have problem with my edge because when I use it the other day I have to shave around my edge here. This is the edge repair growth oil, so I'm using some of this also around my edge, just around the edge here, and just a little bit, not much. And then I go to the back and I'm putting some in the back, you guys. So but after washing and after shampooing and putting my treatment, my hair feel really nice. It's still a bit thick, it's not really dry, it just feels soft right now. And when I comb my hair, I don't get anything, like there's nothing come from the hair in the comb. So that's show me that my hair is healthy and it's strong. But this is how my hair look right now, you guys. So if you do like, I want to say thank you so much again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, please. And I will see you in my next upload. Ciao.